Hi guys, I'm Harshali Bachchao. Today in this particular video, we'll be discussing the most important and fundamental topic, which is the machine learning model. Then the history of machine learning model. Machine learning was developed in 1952. Then what is meant by machine learning? Machine learning, it is the branch of artificial intelligence that learns algorithm automatically and improve their performance. Then also, what is meant by artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, it is a field of computer science which makes a computer system that can mimic human intelligence. Another definition of artificial intelligence, which is the artificial intelligence, it is the branch of computer science using which we can create intelligent system that can simulate human intelligence. Also, artificial intelligence and machine learning are correlated to each other. In in machine learning, it is the subset of deep learning. In deep learning, which can be used in a multi-layered neural network that learns vast amount of data. Then what is meant by neural network? In neural network, it is the concept which can be used in a biology concept, which is a neuron. That means our brain is made up of billions of neurons. Each neuron is connected to other neuron, and this concept which can be used in a deep learning, that means input layer is connected to the output layer and output layer is connected to the hidden layer. These three layers are interconnected to each other. This is also called as the multi-layered neural network. The machine learning algorithms are broadly classified into three categories, such as a supervised learning algorithm, unsupervised learning algorithm, and semi-supervised learning algorithm. First of all, we'll be discussing unsupervised learning algorithm. Then, what is meant by unsupervised learning algorithm? It is the type of machine learning that models are trained using a unlabeled data set. That means unsupervised learning, it is concerned with the unlabeled data. That means training does not contains the label or outputs. Then a suitable machine learning algorithm will be applied which divides into a separate groups according to their similarities and dissimilarities of the data objects. Then detailed process of unsupervised learning. In first of all, we can collect a raw input data, that means mm, unlabeled data. Then next step, interpretation, it is nothing but the model learns the data, that which type of data it is. Then next, algorithm means apply a suitable algorithm for raw input data. Then we can processing the data, and to classify the data, with the help of data similarities and dissimilarities. This is the detailed process of unsupervised learning algorithm. Then unsupervised learning algorithm, which can be used in a various learning algorithm, such as a k-means clustering algorithm, KNN algorithm, that means K nearest neighbor. Then hierarchical clustering algorithm, then neural network, then a priori algorithm. First of all, we'll discuss the advantage of unsupervised learning algorithm. In this algorithm can handle the more complex task than the supervised learning algorithm. In supervised learning algorithm does not handle the more complex task, but unsupervised learning algorithm handle the more complex task. Then the another important disadvantage of unsupervised learning algorithm, which is The input data not labeled in advanced. First of all, input data not in labeled. Then the types of unsupervised learning algorithm. There are two types of unsupervised learning algorithm. First type, which is clustering algorithm, and second type, which is the association rule. Then what is meant by clustering? Clustering, it is the process of partitioning a large data set is converted into a small parts, and the data which can be clustered have high to similarities and dissimilarities of the data objects. In many cases, clustering algorithm can be used in a outlier detection. Then what is meant by outlier? Outlier, it is a data points that deviate significantly from the rest of the database. There are many methods can be used in a clustering, such as a density based clustering, distribution based clustering, centroid based clustering, and hierarchical based clustering. The next type, which is the association rule. Association rule, that means association, it is nothing but the correlation. Then what is meant by correlation? One variable, it depends on the another variable. That means to finding the relationship or association between the variables in a large data set. Then association rule can be divided into three types of algorithm, such as a priori algorithm, eclat algorithm, and fp growth algorithm. Then we will continue on next lecture, supervised learning algorithm.